Introducing the Saramonic LavMicro+DC and the LavMicro+DC2M. Incredibly versatile digital lavaliers to record 1 or 2 people. They deliver premium, broadcast quality sound to nearly any device in a lightweight and compact package. We have so many devices that we use daily. Why can't a lavalier microphone work with them all? They both include Lightning for iPhone and iPad, USB-C for smartphones, tablets, and modern computers, and USB-A for all other computers. They are enormously powerful audio solutions for so many uses. Use them to get focused, dynamic sound for your YouTube videos, vlogs, and social media posts. Increase your sound quality and clarity for important virtual meetings.
We really need to focus on getting more photos of our product to drive sales to our Amazon store.
Flip them on and start a podcast anytime when inspiration strikes.
Hey guys, welcome to our company podcast. Today, let's talk about some of the photo techniques you've been using to increase productivity.
Well, for starters, I use a turntable so that I can get multiple angles of every product I shoot.
Or get that once-in-a-lifetime interview anywhere without bringing a lot of gear. The possibilities are endless. The LavMicro+DC is a single clip-on digital lavalier with a 5.7-foot cable, and the LavMicro+DC2M is a set of 2 clip-on digital lavaliers with 5.7-foot cables. Both feature simple plug-and-play operation and do not require batteries. A microphone input level control lets you adjust perfect levels every time, and a 3.5mm headphone output to monitor your sound in real time no matter what the device. They feature omnidirectional lavalier capsules that provide natural sounding audio even when the person wearing it turns their head, allowing freedom and comfort of movement without focusing on mic position. They are made with high-quality components and gold-plated connectors to provide the best possible signal transfer and resist corrosion. These extraordinarily versatile lavalier microphone solutions aren't going to limit your recording options or slow you down when you're on the move. The Saramonic LavMicro+DC and the LavMicro+DC2M.